Hi, in this video let us talk about how to get data into Stata, and of course the easiest way is to open just the proprietary DTA format of the data. So Stata native files will have an extension DTA, like for example like this file which I just clicked on, and it will have like type of the data Stata dataset. So it's just enough to click on it and it will open for you a Stata program. Or if you already launched your Stata, you can just open it from here. Just click in this folder, open folder, showing the path to where you store your data, and then clicking on, for example, this dataset1 as your data file. And like a small life hack here, so of course you can just copy this path and put it in your do file, right? So that next time you don't have to open it, but you can just run it from a do file. The second commonly used type of data which you can easily load in Stata is obviously Microsoft Excel. And if you click here on File and then click on Import, and then you can choose here right away Excel spreadsheet. Once again, you have to point to the place where it's located. So here I will look at this data set number 2. So I just selected. Again, here it's Excel 97, quite old, but very similar for new Excel formats as well. And here it's important to mark the first row as variable names, right? Because you will otherwise have these kind of meaningless A, B, C, D, and so on names, right? And here, obviously, the first row of this file contains the names of the variables, right? So you just click on this and it will open it. So now it asks you if you want to replace the existing data in memory, so you click OK, and then this data file is opened. And you can always check yourself whether the data has been loaded properly by clicking one of these two data editors, right? You have this edit format or browse format, click on that, and you can see what's in your data. And finally, the third type of data which is convenient, which is accepted by almost any program for data analytics, it's obviously comma separated value, right, or CSV file. And here likewise you will need to use import function in the file command. So you can choose here text data, right, delimited or CSV, and it will once again open this window. You can click on place where you save your data, click on this data set number 3, click open, and you see here it's already selected the first row to be names. But if not, then you have to choose here, for example, whether it's the first row for names, and again sometimes the limiter is not recognized, right, so you may need to change it to some other type. And if you want to practice opening these 3 types of files, you're welcome to join my new course Jumpstart Stata in 2 hours, and you can find a link to that in the description to this video. Thank you, and talk to you later.